tell you, I felt very bad. Especially for the veterans. Ito,
Should he be
sandali
excused?
lang. As well as a lot of the members of the armed forces of the Philippines. Veterans as well as retirees and active members, as well as members of the Philippine National Police, which I commanded some time ago, as well as the members of the Philippine Coast Guard, who are an armed and uniformed force. But the veterans must be respected and recognized in our country. Sana naman, yung naiiwan pa, dahil sa nakatago pa, hindi pa pinalaki, o hindi pa nakikita ng PCTV na hidden wealth, ay can be contributed for humanitarian purposes at the same time for restitution of the claims of the descendants of the victims. And then, before that, I said, sana yung head of the family will make the apology. Hindi yung nagsasabi na, malit pa ako na bata noon. Mga, hindi. Kayo na ang anak ko eh. Ano po? Presidente pa ng kabataang barangay.